Okay, magbasa po tayo ng Bible. Matatagpuan po natin ito sa Isaiah 41, mga talatang 10 hanggang 13. No? Isaiah 41 verses 10 to 13. So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. All who rage against you will surely be ashamed and disgraced. Those who oppose you will be as nothing and perish. Though you search for your enemies, you will not find them. Those who wage war against you will be as nothing at all. For I am the Lord your God, who takes hold of your right hand, and says to you, do not fear, I will help you. What a beautiful promise from the Lord. Okay, so yun lang po. Something na binasa natin sa maulang, anong date ba ngayon? Lunes. Maulang Lunes ng umaga. Ulan means biyaya. Okay? At lalo na may biyaya tayo ng salita ng Diyos. Salita lang po ng Diyos talagang sa atin ay nakapagbibigay ng kalakasan at lakas ng loob. So, aangkinin natin ang mga ito, paniniwalaan natin na nasa atin na, at yun po ang mangyayari. God bless po.